gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm, FaeryVixen here, back again with another video, and we're going to continue box number 1, 3-box lot. So far we've got some really cool stuff. Yeah, and my nails are wrecked. Been cleaning all week. Yeah, been cleaning a lot because we're having company. Rory's mom is coming for a week, so that'll be fun. Here's a money clip with a faded JR something, JRV. Okay. Yawnies. Okay, these are a pair of very mid-century modern cufflinks that are put together so they stay a pair, but I don't need them like that because I have a bag full of man things. Those are very chunky, very mid-century. They'll go in the man bag. If you would like them for your man, just let me know. Ooh, a little road runner with rhinestones and a little blue eye. He's cute. Vintage. Look at the back. That's a vintage one. I don't know if y'all want me to... I know I said I was going to give you prices as I go through. I'm not really comfortable with that. I don't know why. Let me try it. Okay, this is going in crafts. And this little guy, I think, will do... see, I can't think. I don't know. I have to look things up before I can tell you what it's worth to me. Seriously. This is a nice vintage one. So I'm a failure at that whole telling you how much. Ask in an email. I don't know. Here's a really nice domed snowflake. Oh, and look, I broke one. It's got a nick there and a nick there. So I have to do some repair work. This one is really pretty, and it's not missing any. It's just a little tiny bit yellowed. But you'd expect that with an old one. It's really pretty. It's like a light gold tone. It's not... excuse me. It's not what do you call it? Silver tone. Liz Claiborne Christmas tree. Cute. Very nice. Christmas tree. Oh, look, we got a bunch of Christmas stuff. This one does not have a name. But it's a lovely, really blingy, large rhinestones, or they could be CZs, or Swarovskis. Nice red enamel, very nice, very nice. Let's see very nice a few more times. This is a big bracelet. I don't know. It's not stretched out, that's the thing. It's not stretched out. It's got good stretch. But it's large. It's very large. It's really nice. It's for someone that has a little bigger bones. So that's cool. Okay, this needs to be bent a little bit before it'll sit right. It's missing one. And I'm pretty sure it's in here, so that might get glued. And we'll bend this out the way it belongs. There we go. Oh, it's missing the wheel. So that'll probably go into a craft lot. This one's different. Really heavy. Brass. Almost seems too heavy to be brass. I'm not going to say gold. It's not marked. Different. Different. Look at this. These are fish. It's a malachite fish bead. It is drilled all the way through. I think. Hold on. I thought I saw a drill mark. Yeah. It's got a drill right in the middle there. See it? Right there. Now, where does it come out at? It comes out right here. So he would hang kind of like that. That's cool. I like that. Ooh, this is neat. Different. I don't know who this is. It's got a little copper swirly bit on the end. Oh wait, it's a Brighton. Check it out. It's got the B, and it's got a little copper thing on the end. That's cool. Little panel bracelet. Ooh. Pretty, pretty. Oh, okay, it's there. Look at this. Look at this shine on those. Wow, these are definitely Swarovskis that someone has made. They are probably have a sterling finding on them. Let's see. This is all kind of tangled up. There we go. Hang on a second. There we go. Look at those beads. They're gorgeous. Look at that. They're throwing rainbows on my table. Wow. Oh, so pretty. And then these guys are yellow with like a blue. Look how it reflects blue underneath. Very cool. Now let's see, does this have a mark on it? If it doesn't, it should. Yeah, it has it right on the little thingy here, look. Right there. Gorgeous. Look at how blue it is on the back. That's crazy. Very different. Oh, hey, look. Another one. So, would these be considered, what do you call that? Scatter pins? I'm gonna call them scatter pins because they look it. Sweet. Ooh, here's one of those Panther Link. Yeah. Panther Link chain collar, and it is not marked. It's in excellent shape though. There is no wear at all. Feels so nice. I like the way those feel. This guy, I think we've had this guy once before. This one's slightly gold tone. The other one was like a silver tone. Strange. Strange that I would have two of them. heart are very, very old friends. Oh, that's cute. Oh, and it's a sonogram. Look. That is a recording of someone's voice saying that saying. That is cool. Well, recording, it's oh, what do you call that? It's a sonogram, I think. That's cool. Here's some Abalone Inlay. Magnetic. Hinged. Beautiful colors on that. Look at that. Fiery. Fiery. A lot of brooches in here. Glass and seed pearls. No brand, but it's really pretty. It's very old-fashioned looking. Classic. Oh, here's another saint. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, what the heck. Rosario da Fatima Nossa Senhora. So it's a Mother Mary, Virgin of Fatima or something. I don't remember. I don't know. Not my thing. Here's a nice vintage one. Ooh, look at that. That, I'm almost convinced it should be a Sarah Coventry, but it's not. It does have the vintage back, though. Pinwheel, isn't that cute? It's got all of its stones. We have a tie clip with a little doohickey there. I don't know why it has that. This is a nice pendant. You thread through here and it hangs like that. Nice. Here's a very pretty ring. Ooh. Looks like jade and diamonds, but I doubt it because it's wearing on the back a little bit. Unless, oh no, it's not wearing. It is gold tone here, and then it changes to silver tone here. Let me look at the inside of it. I think it's plated. Let's see. Come on. $18 heavy gold electroplate. W something. So yes, it's heavily gold electroplated. It's a very small size. It's like a 5. It fits me perfect. Perfect. Oh hey, remember those necklaces? I think Miss Vicky has those in her box. Which reminds me I have to write you an email. I keep forgetting. I just finished all the housework for Rory's mama's visit, so I will be getting to that tomorrow probably. If I could just get this one off of that one, that'd be great. Ah, it's because of the hook. It's a hook, a hooky. It's a hooker. Oh, look, it's got flux on the back. But you see what I mean? It's that one that's got the purple and blue stain. Very cool. So I have the matching bracelet. That's cool. Very nice. Oh, come on. Why are you stuck in there? Get out. Lord. Please. Help. Da, da, dee, da. Da, 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 da. There we go. That's better. I think. Fiddly fiddle. Fiddle faddle. There's that one. Nice. Let me know if you want that. Wait, let me measure it. I know you want 8-inch bracelets. Hold on a second. I don't think it is. It's 7 1/4. And it looks like it hooks this way. Kinda gotta bend that hook forward a little bit, don't we? This is a sash piece, pot metal, with all of its rhinestones in pretty good shape. Very nice. It's got a tag on it. Ugh. This is little butterflies. Or little little flowers. Can't tell. Little something. Here is a very old antique, I'm gonna say, scimitar. Look at the back on that. That looks like a Masonic piece. That's awesome. Very cool. Whoa, look at that. Pretty sparklies. It's got 2 Rivolis. It's got a dark purple, 2 dark purples, a bunch of little light purple, and a big pink one. And there's no name on it at all. I think this is just a modern fashion piece, but it's really kicking. Look at that thing. Gorgeous. And it's heavy. It's not a little chintzy one either. Here's a Aztec Sun Face with a fold-over clasp. And it's marked. Is that a 925? You're kidding. 925 sterling. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. That was too hard to scratch. Let's see. It might have a plating on it though. No. It's not showing any at all. So that is a lie. Big fat lie. Big fat lie. It's pretty though. Sun faces. We're at 19. We are going to show you one of these. Oh wow, they had this one up for $12, which I can understand. It's quite beautiful. It is a gorgeous vintage rhinestone piece with all of its stones. Absolutely gorgeous. And well, I would keep it at this price. This would be a $12 one. Very nice. Here's a little red, white, and blue glass pendant. Very nice. We're at 20. I am going to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. If you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments below of the item that you would like. Or you could send me an email with that same information, plus the title of the video and the date that it was posted. And if you haven't bought from me before, include your name, your address, your PayPal email, and your YouTube name so that I can match you up with your YouTube name and get your invoice out to you and get your stuff sent out to you after you pay me. So, let's put this in here. This is a tiny one. I'm not used to finding little bitty ones like that. I usually have to put a sizer in there. But anyway, remember that I love each and every one of you, and be yourself. Because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.